Health Minister Amber-Jade Sanderson rules out pay demand from Australian Nursing Federation 1 day into a 7-week-long campaign of escalating industrial action by nurses and midwives in WA. The Health Minister has ruled out meeting their demand for a 10% annual pay rise. Key points. The Health Minister is sticking to the wages policy announced last month. She said no immediate action will be taken on nurse-to-patient ratios. Nurses and midwives have vowed to ramp up industrial action. Amber-Jade Sanderson also said nurses and midwives would not be getting a 5% pay rise they had earlier been requesting. Ms. Sanderson said the government would not budge from a public sector wages policy it announced last month, the third policy in 12 months after it struggled to lock in deals with public sector unions. The most recent wages offer is the final offer, Ms. Sanderson told ABC Radio Perth. The offer would see an extra $60 a week paid to anyone who earns less than $104,000 or a 3% rise for anyone earning above that level. It also includes a one-off $3,000 cost of living payment for all public workers who sign on. The ANF has said the government's offer comes nowhere near meeting the rising cost of living and does nothing to attract new staff, which it says the health sector desperately needs. Nurse-to-patient ratios still at core of campaign. Amber-Jade Sanderson also threw cold water on any hope of the government rushing to make a commitment on implementing nurse-to-patient ratios.